Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys my top 3 acne face masks. Acne face mask is kind of difficult to find, even though there's a lot. But for me, when I look online, it's kind of difficult to find a really good one. So recently I discovered this two more additional to one more that I used to love. First one that I recently discovered, the Truly brand, is called the Hemp Jelly Anti-Blemish Face Mask. It has hemp seed oil, ginseng, vitamin A, aloe vera, amino acid boost. This is acne face mask. It can be used as also a night mask as well. What you do is you put this on your face for about clean face for about 10 to 15 minutes, but I usually put it on for 20 to 25 minutes. This one retail for $23. The Truly brand, their skincare is kind of expensive for me, and I got it at Ulta. It's like a gel, aloe vera gel texture, and it's really like hydrating and cooling to the face, so I really like that. So the next one is a Korean product from Moly. I Am Rice Clarifying Blemish Mask. This mask is a clay mask and it's white, and it gives your face like after you wash it off, it does kind of help your face brightening up a little bit, but the clay does not harden on your face. If you easily remove, it's removed easily. So it's not like one of those hard clay dry masks. After like 15 minutes, it's so hard, it's hard to remove. This one is easy to remove, so I like that. And I like that it's a Korean product. Moly is a company that I have used before, and they have been around since 2006, and I do like their company and I do like their product, and not everything but some of their products, you know, it's affordable. This one is only $15 and it's like how many ounces? This one is 3.38 floor ounce. So all the products I will list it down below. They also have this product on Amazon, so I will list it down below. If you're too lazy or you don't want to go to Ulta to find it, you can just order from Amazon. So it's very fast shipping, probably 3 days, 2 days the most, if you have Prime shipping. So yeah. And the last one I want to recommend you guys is this is the product that I have used 5 years ago when I first started my channel. I have used this product, and until today the product is still good. The product is the Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clarifying Clay Mask. This one retail for $17. I thought it was more expensive than $17. It has been 5 to 6 years ago already, so I forgot the price. And this clay mask I really like, but I don't have it with me because I've used it a long time ago, but I still remember how good it is. So that's why I put it in this video to recommend to you guys. Maybe I should purchase again, but I already have this too, so I want to finish it up before I don't know. Once I use something, even though it's good, I like to try a lot of other products, so I don't have or want to buy it again, even though it's really good, because I have limited time in this world to try many products. You know what I mean? That's my top 3 face acne mask that I want to recommend you guys. Hopefully you guys like this video, and thank you so much for watching, and please thumb up on this video and subscribe to my channel. I try too hard. Bye.